Amanda here from createyourfuture.co. So today I wanted to share that you are good enough. You can do anything that you want, and you have everything that you need inside of you to do it. Now, it's okay to feel sad and frustrated and upset. And in fact, some of my greatest creations and manifestations in my life have come from that low point. I remember not that long ago when there was a time that I thought I would never find a boyfriend, someone to live with, someone to love me. I thought I could never, ever have that. And it made me so upset. I would cry and cry on my couch for real. And it was out of that moment that I got sick enough of it. And I said, no, no more. And that moment of a breakdown caused me to have a breakthrough and to give me that determination to create what I want. Now, a year and a half later, here I am packing up my apartment, moving in with my boyfriend, and I'm happier than I can possibly be. So I just want to say, it's okay to be sad. It's okay to be frustrated. It's okay to be upset. Use those moments and those times of a breakdown to create what you want and to use it to push you, to push through. In fact, I'm getting a little bit emotional because when I think back of everything I thought a year and a half ago about having a relationship again and being with somebody, it makes me really sad that I even thought of that. But I needed to have that breakdown. I needed to have that moment to push me and to drive me. And now I have a wonderful relationship. I'm packing up my apartment to move in with him. And it's almost like a dream. Is this really happening? And, so dreams do come true. Push through. And it's okay to cry. It's okay to feel frustrated. Everything that you want is just on the other side of that. And sometimes we need those low points to get sick of our situation enough to make a change. I'm living proof. Anyways, I wanted to come on and share that because this was a huge creation for me. It was a huge thing in my life. And, it was 7 years of pretty much having the thinking that I was going to be single forever and, nobody ever want to live with me and all this crazy thoughts that I had, but they were very real to me for 7 years. And now my whole life's changed. And it all came from that moment a year and a half ago where I was absolutely sick of my situation and my thoughts and crying on the couch and wanting to make a change. And I made that change. Anyways, thanks for liking, commenting, and subscribing. Remember, you can do it. You've got everything that you need inside of you. I believe in you, so you believe in you. Anyways, you guys have a wonderful day. Create something wonderful for yourselves this week. And remember, it's okay to cry and feel frustrated. I look forward to hearing from you guys. Please comment down below. Okay.